Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back another break. Girlfriend and I had to run some errands today and finally came across the hanger boxes of 2017 Topps Series 1 Baseball. I got one and she got me one too, so two of them here to break for you guys. Show you guys the odds, you can pause that. Look for autographs and relics. Ultimate card giveaway. About 72 cards, unless there's a special insert, like a relic or patch or whatever. So, let's get to it. 2017 Topps Series 1 hanger boxes. I am not doing good. Okay. Pack number one. Got a lot of cards. Big fan of these hanger boxes. I really do like these. Jason Hammel, Aaron Helter. Not gonna go through all of these. You guys have probably seen my blaster box break. Let's point out some notables here. Again, like I said, not a huge fan of the design. Tyler Austin rookie. But there are some good rookies in here. Tyler Glasnow that I want to get, rookie. And like I said, I just enjoy opening the hanger boxes. Mookie Betts League leaders. Backs for those of you that haven't seen them yet. Different color backs. Okay. Memorial Day, Jason Hammel. And that is from Topps Salute. Manny Machado, 5-tool insert. Oh, sweet. This is a vintage stock. Nice, I've never gotten one of these. It's the first time I've ever gotten a vintage stock. You can see it's a different look. It's not as glossy as these. You can tell right away. The throwback logo out of '99 cardboard. Oh man, that's cool. I've never gotten one of these before. Chase Utley out of '99 vintage stock. Sweet. First pitch, Joe Mantegna. I'm a little phlegmy. I'm getting over my cold finally. Max Scherzer for the PC, so that's nice. Liking that. Cy Young Award, Max Scherzer, that's going in the PC. Jose Fernandez, Roberto Clemente, reprint. Yulieski Gurriel, rookie. And back to base. I'll have to look for any short prints and whatnot. I want a lot of team cards in here. Just realized that Astros, Padres. Tampa Bay Rays. Tyler Chatwood. Brian Goodwin. Another reason why I enjoy getting, well, I got more 2017 is because of the 87 cards. I really like the 87. Oh, nice. Dansby Swanson rookie. Chad Pinder rookie. The 87 insert set's pretty cool. 100 card set. And there's one in here. So, and it is Will Myers. Okay, I don't have that one, so that's nice. Will Myers, 87. Okay, not a bad first hanger. The throwback or vintage stock or whatever they're calling it. Let me see here. What do they call it? Vintage stock. Wow, 1 in 41 hanger boxes to get that. So pretty good. I dare say the relics are easier to get than that. Not sure. We're gonna move along though. Move on to the second one here. Let's toss that aside. Okay, number 2. And I already saw who the 87 is. A lot of cards. Alright, again, just kind of go through them here. Rookie, Seth Lugo. Yeah, I'm going to have to go through and see if we got any short prints. Orlando Arcia, rookie. Gabriel Ynoa, rookie. Every which way. I will say they do have some nice photos. Verlander, league leader. Okay. Now to the parallels, it looks like. Well, inserts and stuff. Braden Shipley, rookie from Top Salute. Foil of John Gray. Not numbered. Then and Now, Felix Hernandez. Oh, this is a nice one. Mike Trout, gold. That's a nice one, I'll take it. Out of 2017. Trouty gold. That's a nice parallel. Michael Fulmer for the PC. Rookie of the Year. Insert. Zach Britton. Reliever of the Year award. And back to base. Luke Weaver, rookie. That's a nice photo. Orioles, Diamondbacks, Blue Jays, World Series Cubs. Alex Reyes, rookie. Masahiro Tanaka, that's a nice photo. Yeah, there are some nice photos this year. And the 87 Kenta Maeda. 87. I love the look of these cards. Nice, thick, heavy stock. I like it. Yeah, a ton of base. And like I said, I gotta go through, see if I got any short prints. It's not too bad. In the first one, got the vintage stock Chase Utley out of 99. And the Mike Trout gold out of 2014. And the two 87s, and I like this one. Scherzer for the PC insert. So not bad. You can't expect a whole lot from the hanger boxes due to the fact that, the odds are pretty high for getting things like autographs and relics. It's a little crazy. I have pulled autographs from these before, but you definitely gotta have luck on your side for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the break. Glad I finally found these hanger boxes to show you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next one.